Alright, so here we are with the transformer. Just going to go ahead and open it up from the side. Just got a little latch lock. Let it go. Swing it open. Now with these Intermatic timers, these astronomical timers, really all we need to do is check to make sure that the current time is what it is. Usually or typically during when we lose power to an outlet, which the outlet is over here. Our transformer is plugged into that outlet. When we lose power to that, typically what will happen that if it's off for long enough, it will actually reset our timer. Now this timer has a small battery backup, but there's a limit on that battery backup. This one appears to be functioning correctly. To a certain extent, it's been returned back to its basic state. Now the time is off. Right now it's 10, let's look at it, it's 10:06, and this says it's set right now at 8:58. So in order to fix this now, what we'll need to do is pretty simple. We just need to set our current time or switch our current time. We don't need to press any other buttons other than this set button over here. So we're gonna hit set once, and that gives us our ability to start spinning the dial here. We said 10:06, right? So we'll go to 10. We'll hit set again to go to the minute side because we're done with the hours. We'll go to 10:0. Let's see if it's 10:07 now. It's 10:07 now. So we'll just hit set. If you can see down here, the issue also, there's a glare on it, but it says PM. So what we'll have to do is we'll set again. We'll run through our setting options. These things are already saved. It has to do with time zone and whatnot. You don't need to change those. We've already set those upon install. So let's make sure we're on AM now. All right, so we're good to go. Make sure we set out of this. Same thing again, we run through our sets. Everything's good to go. And that's how you make sure that your timer is on the correct modes. Now the timer itself, the timer function, the interval of time, you don't need to change because those that programming is maintained with that battery backup. You just need to make sure that that we can get that current time set